Hi students, and today we are going to discuss an important concept in amines, that is chemical properties of amines, acylation of amines. Acylation. Let me discuss. Primary amines are secondary amines. Primary amines are secondary amines. React with acid chlorides, that is RCOCl, acid chlorides. Next, acid anhydrides, acid chlorides, acid anhydrides, and esters, RCOOR. Primary and secondary amines react with acid chlorides, acid anhydrides, esters. Clear? Gives acylation. Clear? When primary and secondary amines react with acid chlorides, acid anhydrides, esters, is called acylation. And this is completely nucleophilic substitution reaction. Primary and secondary amines react with acid chlorides, acid anhydrides, and esters is called acylation. This is completely nucleophilic substitution. Why we are calling acylation means acyl group is there here. Acyl group. And here what happened means, in this reaction, replacement of hydrogen atom of primary amine or secondary amine takes place by acyl group. So this you have to remember where reaction takes place. Replacement of hydrogen of primary amine or secondary amine by acyl group. And what the product you are getting in this reaction means, the product you are getting here, the product in this acylation, amides. So amines converted to amides. So you have to remember, how will you convert amines to amides means by acylation of primary and secondary amines. Clear? Tertiary will not undergo. And here, in the presence of, reaction takes place in the presence of strong base. How much strong means it is more strong than amine, that is ammonia. More strong than amines. Clear? Amines are basic in nature. Generally what we are using here means strong base, pyridine we are using. What using? Pyridine. It is a aromatic base. And in this reaction we are removing HCl. This is the information about acylation. Let me discuss. Primary and secondary amines react with acid chlorides, acid anhydrides, esters. This process called as acylation. It is completely nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here, replacement of hydrogen atom from primary amine or secondary amine by acyl group will be takes place. Products you are getting amide, amine converted to amide. What is the presence condition means? Presence of strong base. That base should be more basic than amine. And pyridine generally we are using, pyridine is a aromatic base. And here what we are doing means removal of hydrogen chloride. Clear? Let me take an example here, then easy to you. Clear? I am taking here ethyl amine. What I am taking? Ethyl amine. C2H5 N hydrogen, a lone pair is there. A lone pair in the presence of base. In the presence of base. And here we have to take any acyl chloride, acetic anhydride or ester. I am taking acyl chloride. What I am taking? Acyl chloride means acetyl chloride I am taking. What I am taking? Acetyl chloride. See here, I am taking acetyl chloride CH3COCl. Reaction convenience purpose I took here. CH3COCl. This is acetyl chloride. Look here, hydrogen is plus, chlorine is minus, and CO is plus. Clear? This 2 will be removed as HCl. Immediately, this nitrogen will give lone pair to this CO group. CO group. Then you are getting C2H5 NH. Lone pair given na. This CO bonded to nitrogen COCH3. See how much easy. So, ethylamine, acetyl chloride, we got the final product N-ethyl, see N-ethyl, this is N-ethyl. These 2 carbons are there now. Ethylamide. So, ethylamine converted to ethylamide in the presence of acetyl chloride. Clear? And this is the reaction. This is the reaction we are doing. And if you need mechanism, I will show it. How this total will be takes place. Look here. C2H5 N, and here hydrogen, this is primary amine, and I am taking acetyl chloride Cl, C double bond O, CH3 in the presence of base, that is strong base. Clear? In the presence of strong base. Look here. This is more electronegative, oxygen. This bond is shifted to here minus. Immediately this carbon getting positive charge. Nitrogen is ready to donate lone pair because nitrogen here amine is basic in nature. This is the step 1. Then what we are getting? C2H5 bond N, one lone pair is gone, plus charge it is getting, and here hydrogen bond, and this chlorine we have here, CO we have here, so C double bond, single bond O minus, and here you have Cl and here I am writing CH3. Clear? This is the intermediate you got. Immediately this reaction takes place in another step. This chlorine is better leaving group minus, then this carbon getting valency free. So this oxygen giving lone pair again to this. Clear? And this nitrogen having here plus charge. That's why this hydrogen giving the electron to this nitrogen. This hydrogen giving electron to this nitrogen. This chlorine moving out. This lone pair giving to this carbon again. So finally you are getting C2H5 bond NH CO CH3, and here we removed hydrogen, here chlorine, that is removal of hydrogen chloride will be takes place. This is the mechanism. This is we are calling N-ethyl ethylamide. This is acetyl chloride, what we are calling acetyl chloride, and this is ethylamine. Clear? And this is N-ethyl. Here I given already ethylamide. Go for aromatic or aliphatic also we can take. Aromatic or aliphatic. Clear? Primary, secondary amines. You can take aromatic or aliphatic both. Clear? Aromatic you can take, aliphatic also you can take. And another example I am giving to you for better understanding. Look here, aromatic I am taking. Go for C6H5 phenyl ring, and this is N and this is HH. Benzylamine. And this react with acetic anhydride I am taking now. Previously acetyl chloride I took, no? Now acetic anhydride. CH3, C double bond O, clear? C double bond O, CH3, CO, clear? This is we are calling ethanoic anhydride. What is the name? Ethanoic anhydride. Clear? And this is we are calling benzenamine. What we are calling? Benzenamine. Look, very simple. You remove one hydrogen from here. And you remove here CH3COOH. Clear? CH3COO, here bond is going to be break, and this hydrogen going to be break. CH3COOH byproduct. What you are getting? CH3COOH base medium. Remaining part C6H5NH COCH3. Clear? So benzene ring I am writing benzene, and this we have NH, and this COCH3. This lone pair is given to this carbon. So COCH3. What you are getting? COCH3 plus byproduct CH3COOH. And what is the name of this product means? This is we are calling acetanilide. What we are calling? Acetanilide. What we are calling? Acetanilide. IUPAC name is acetanilide. Acetanilide. IUPAC name is N-phenyl. This phenyl group is bonded to nitrogen, N-phenyl, and this is 2 carbon ethylamide. Clear? So this is simply called as acetanilide. Very important reaction. So you can take normal simple amine with benzyl chloride also. Benzyl chloride. Let I am giving here one more example. Example number 2, example number 1 and example number 3. Methylamine I am taking. What I am taking? Methylamine. And benzoyl chloride I am taking now. What I am taking? Benzoyl chloride. The name of this reaction is, compound is benzoyl chloride. What we are calling? Benzoyl chloride. This is methylamine. Methylamine in the presence of base medium. Simple. You remove this hydrogen, you remove this chlorine. This lone pair is going to this CO group. This CO bonded to here. CO bonded to here. Clear? Then benzene ring, you are getting CONH3. Clear? This is simple. And what is the name of this product means? I am writing here N-methyl benzenamide. Amide. So amine converted to amide. And like this, in acylation, primary secondary amines are react with acetyl chloride, that is acid chloride or acidic anhydride or esters is called acylation. This is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here replacement of hydrogen from primary or secondary amine takes place. And the product you are getting amide. So amine converted to amide. And here the base we are taking, that is very strong base. Generally we are taking pyridine. Pyridine is a aromatic base. And you can take any number, that is primary or secondary. Tertiary you should not take. And moreover, and here I took acid chloride. This R may be alkyl or aryl. Here I took alkyl here, and here I took aryl also. So aromatic acyl chloride or aliphatic you can take any reaction. And this is very important and easy reaction. One hydrogen we have to remove, one chlorine we have to remove, HCl we are removing. What we are removing? Hydrogen chloride. HCl is the byproduct. And amines are converted to amide. So how will you convert amine to amide? Means by acylation with primary and secondary. Tertiary will not undergo. So this is acylation of amines. If you like this concept, please subscribe to my channel, suggest to your friends. Be safe at home. Thank you.